Lesson 6-4, the distributive property. To multiply a sum or difference by a number, you multiply each term on the inside of the parentheses by the number on the outside. So here, for example, you have A times B plus C. You want to distribute that A. So distribute kind of means to hand out, like if someone brought cupcakes to school for their birthday, and you may ask, may I distribute them to my classmates? You are giving everyone that's in the group a cupcake. That's the same thing for the distributive property in math. You are distributing the A to everything that's inside of the parentheses. So it would be A times B plus A times C. So if we have the example of 5 times 6 times 7, you would do 5 times 6, which is 30, and then you would have 5 times 7, which is 35, and this multiplication sign here should be a plus sign. So you add those two together, and you will get 65 as your answer. Pause the video to complete the examples below. So for the first example, we have 4 times 3 plus 4 times 6. So we have 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 4 times 6, which is 24. You can solve to get 36. For the next example, 4 times 9 minus the sign that's in between the two numbers is the sign that goes in your distributed answer. 4 times 2. Again, we can solve through 18 minus 12, 18 minus 8 is 10. You can also use the distributive property to mentally do a problem like this one. So 7 times 86. You can break apart the 86 because you know that 86 is 80 plus 6. So in your head, you could first multiply the 7 times the 80 and get 560. And then you can multiply the 7 times the 6 and get 42, and then you add those two together and you get 602 for your answer. So this is just kind of a shortcut way to distribute the 7 to everything that's there, the 86. The 86 can be broken apart into an 80 and a 6. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video. Make sure that you use the distributive property when you are solving these problems. I want to see you writing out what you're multiplying so that you are demonstrating the distributive property.